Agility Robotics' humanoid robot Digit just landed its first official job, and it's a game changer for the entire industry. Yes, an actual humanoid robot is now working in a real warehouse, and it's kind of a big deal. This is something that robotics companies have been working towards for years, and Agility Robotics has just taken a massive leap ahead of the competition. So, Agility Robotics has signed a multi-year deal with GXO Logistics, which is a massive logistics company. We're talking the world's largest pure-play contract logistics provider. That's a pretty big deal in itself, but it gets better. Under this deal, GXO is going to deploy a small fleet of Digit robots at a Spanx facility. It's a humanoid robot, which means it's built to move and operate in environments designed for humans. It can navigate through tight spaces, climb stairs, and handle objects in a way that's similar to how we humans do it. In this case, Digit is picking up totes from these little autonomous mobile robots called Chucks made by a company called 6 River Systems. First of all, it's the first time a humanoid robot has been officially deployed in a commercial setting like this. It's not just a pilot or a proof of concept. Agility Robotics is actually getting paid for Digit services under a robotics as a service model, so they're making real money from this deal, which is pretty cool, but it's definitely a testament to the hard work and innovation that Agility Robotics has put into developing Digit and making it a practical, commercially viable solution. Secondly, it's kind of like a milestone for the entire humanoid robotics industry. Agility Robotics CEO Petty Johnson said that this is just the beginning, and there will be many more firsts to come as the humanoid robot market grows. She's really proud that Agility is the first company to actually have humanoid robots deployed and generating revenue by solving real-world problems. And let's not forget, Petty Johnson is no stranger to the tech world. She's a veteran technology leader who previously served as CEO of Magic Leap, the augmented reality company. So when she says this is a big deal, you know it's a big deal. Now, to be honest, here are a ton of companies working on humanoid robots, and it's kind of like an arms race to see who can get their robots out there. And working in the real world first, companies like Boston Dynamics, Figure, Fourier Intelligence, Sanctuary, Tesla, and Unitree are all working on humanoid robots, and they're all trying to be the first to crack the commercial market. But Agility Robotics seems to be leading the pack when it comes to getting their robots out there and actually working in real-world settings. They've been at this for a while. The company was founded way back in 2015, and they initially built a robot called Cassie for researchers and developers before turning their attention to commercial humanoids like Digit. Of course, this is just the beginning. The companies say they'll continue to explore more use cases for Digit and potentially scale up the deployment if it goes well. And don't forget, GXO is also testing out other humanoid robots like Apollo from a company called Apptronic, so they're not putting all their eggs in one basket. They're really taking a smart approach by trying out different robots and seeing what works best for their operations, but for now, Agility Robotics and Digit are kind of spotlight. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out and whether other companies can catch or three up, or if Agility can maintain its lead in the commercial humanoid robot race. There are still a lot of challenges to overcome, like developing safety standards for humanoid robots working alongside humans, but this is a huge step in the right direction. So guys, this is really happening. We've reached a point where a humanoid robot is actually working a real job. This is the outcome of years of research and development in the robotics field, and it's just the beginning of a huge transformation in how warehouses and other facilities run. Who knows, maybe one day we'll all have robot coworkers helping out at work. But one thing's clear, the future of humanoid robotics has officially arrived, and Agility Robotics is leading the charge. Now, just as humanoid robots are starting to take over real-world jobs, a similar trend is emerging in the digital realm of AI. Jen Kaltrader, the director of the Mozilla Foundation's Privacy Not Included Research Hub, stated, "It is not ethical for an AI chatbot to lie to you and say it's human when it's not. That's just a no-brainer because people are more likely to relax around a real human." In tests conducted by Wired, these AI voice bots successfully concealed their identities and pretended to be humans. In one disturbing demonstration, an AI bot role-played as a doctor and tricked a hypothetical teenager into uploading revealing photos under the guise of medical purposes. Researchers are calling this new trend human washing, where AI systems are designed to appear human intentionally. Emily Dardaman, an AI researcher, cited an organization that used deepfake footage of its CEO in marketing while simultaneously running a campaign. The possibility of these lying AI bots being used for aggressive scams or manipulation is a significant concern. As AI outputs become increasingly authoritative and realistic, ethical researchers warn that failing to establish a clear divide between humans and AI could lead to a dystopian future. The emotional mimicry of these AI systems raises the risk of exploitation, particularly if there is no transparency about their artificial nature. Humanoid robots play a crucial role in advancing technology and enhancing our daily lives. One of their primary advantages is their ability to perform tasks that are hazardous or monotonous for humans. In industrial settings, humanoid robots can handle dangerous materials, work in extreme environments, and perform repetitive tasks with high precision and efficiency, reducing the risk of injury and increasing productivity. Additionally, their human-like form allows them to use tools and interact with their surroundings in ways that other robotic designs cannot, making them versatile and adaptable to various applications. Moreover, there is a growing expectation that humanoid robots will contribute significantly to education and research. Robots can be used to explore new frontiers in fields such as neuroscience and psychology. As these robots become more advanced, it is expected that they will not only assist but also collaborate with humans, driving innovation and expanding the possibilities of what can be achieved through human-robot interaction. Carl Schreider emphasizes the importance of demarcating a definitive line between humans and AI to prevent such a dystopian scenario from unfolding. So, as the AI technology becomes more sophisticated, it is crucial to address these concerns and ensure transparency and accountability in the development and deployment of AI systems. Alright, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.